Imagine a lifestyle change that doesn't require expensive supplements, extreme workouts, or complicated meal plans, just a simple shift in when you eat. That's the power of intermittent fasting IF. Over the next 9 minutes, we're going to explore every facet of IF, from its ancient roots to cutting-edge scientific research, real-life success stories, and practical tips to make it work for you. Fasting isn't new. Humans evolved in environments where food wasn't always available. Our bodies are designed to thrive in cycles of feasting and fasting. Religions like Islam, Ramadan, Christianity, Lent, and Buddhism have incorporated fasting for spiritual and physical cleansing for centuries. Now, modern science is catching up, proving what ancient traditions knew all along. But why is intermittent fasting exploding in popularity now? Because it works. Whether your goal is fat loss, mental clarity, disease prevention, or longevity, IF can be tailored to fit your needs. Let's break it all down. What is intermittent fasting? 1. The 16/8 method, Lean Gains Protocol. How it works. Fast for 16 hours, including sleep. Eat within an 8-hour window, example, 12 p.m. 8 p.m. Best for beginners, busy professionals, muscle retention. 2018 study in cell metabolism found 16/8 improved fat loss while preserving muscle in resistance-trained men. Pro tip: skip breakfast, drink black coffee or tea to curb hunger. 2. The 5-to-2 diet, Michael Mosley's fast diet. How it works. Eat normally for 5 days, restrict to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Best for those who prefer flexibility. A 2011 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed 5-to-2 reduced body fat and improved insulin sensitivity. Pro tip: schedule fasting days on low-activity days, example, rest days. 3. Eat Stop Eat, 24-hour fast. How it works. Fast from dinner to dinner or breakfast to breakfast, 1 to 2 times per week. Best for advanced fasters, metabolic reset. Research in obesity found 24-hour fasts increased fat oxidation by 20%. Pro tip: stay busy to avoid food fixation. 4. The Warrior Diet, 20-4 method. How it works. Fast for 20 hours, eat 1 large meal at night. Best for those who prefer 1 big meal, OMAD, 1 meal a day, enthusiasts. Mimics ancient warrior eating patterns, may enhance growth hormone. Pro tip: focus on protein and fiber to stay full. 5. Alternate day fasting, ADF. How it works. Fast every other day, or eat 500 calories on fasting days. Best for rapid weight loss, metabolic health. A 2019 JAMA trial found ADF improved heart health markers. Starvation is involuntary deprivation of food. Fasting is voluntary, controlled, and has a metabolic off-ramp. You can eat whenever you choose. The science behind intermittent fasting. 1. Autophagy, the cellular cleanup process. What it is. Nobel Prize-winning research, 2016, revealed how cells recycle damaged components during fasting. Benefits. Reduces cancer risk, clears out dysfunctional cells. Slows aging, removes zombie cells, called senescent cells. Protects against neurodegenerative diseases, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's. A 2018 Nature study showed fasting boosted autophagy in neurons. 2. Insulin sensitivity and diabetes prevention. Mechanism. Fasting lowers blood sugar and insulin levels. A 2014 World Journal of Diabetes review found IF reversed prediabetes in 60% of participants. Expert opinion. Intermittent fasting is more effective than medication for type 2 diabetes reversal. Dr. Fong. 3. Human growth hormone, HGH, surge. Data. Fasting for 24 hours can increase HGH by 1,300%. Study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism. Impact. Preserves muscle, burns fat, speeds recovery. 4. Brain health and neuroprotection. BDNF boost. Fasting increases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which enhances learning and memory. reduces depression and anxiety. The New England Journal of Medicine, 2019, linked IF to lower Alzheimer's risk. Weight loss and fat burning. Why IF beats typical diets. Metabolic adaptation avoided. Unlike chronic calorie restriction, which slows metabolism, IF maintains metabolic rate. Hormonal advantage. Lower insulin plus higher norepinephrine equals faster fat breakdown. Sustainability. Easier to adhere to than constant portion control. Real-world results. Study 1, International Journal of Obesity, 2011, IF groups lost 4 to 7% more body fat than calorie counters. Study 2, JAMA Internal Medicine, 2017, IF was as effective as continuous calorie restriction for weight loss. Common pitfalls and fixes. Problem: overeating junk food in eating windows. Fix: prioritize protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Problem: feeling lightheaded. Fix: add electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium. Heart health and longevity. Key cardiovascular benefits. Blood pressure. A 2020 hypertension study found IF reduced systolic BP by 6 to 11 mm of mercury. Cholesterol. Triglycerides drop by 20 to 30% with IF, American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Inflammation. IF lowers CRP, C-reactive protein, a key inflammation marker. Longevity research. Animal studies. Mice on IF lived 30 to 50% longer. Cell metabolism. Human data. Centenarians in blue zones often practice natural IF, example, early dinners. Fasting mimics the effects of longevity drugs like rapamycin, but it's free. Mental and emotional benefits. 1. Focus and productivity. Why it works. Stable blood sugar equals no energy crashes. Anecdote. Silicon Valley CEOs use IF for peak performance. 2. Mood enhancement. Mechanism. Fasting increases dopamine receptor sensitivity. Psychiatry research, 2013, linked IF to reduced depressive symptoms. 3. Discipline and mindset shift. IF taught me hunger is temporary, I'm in control now. How to start intermittent fasting. Phase 1. Preparation. Days 1 to 3, reduce sugar, carbs to ease into fat burning. Set a fasting window, example, 12 p.m. 8 p.m. Phase 2. Adaptation, days 4 to 14, hunger peaks day 3, push through. Hydrate with electrolytes. Phase 3. Optimization, day 15 plus, experiment with longer fasts, 18 to 6, OMAD. Track biomarkers, blood glucose, ketones. Common mistakes. Mistake. Drinking zero-calorie sodas spikes insulin for some. Fix. Stick to water, tea, black coffee. Mistake. Ignoring sleep. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones. Fix. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Intermittent fasting isn't a one-size-fits-all approach, it's a toolkit. Experiment, listen to your body, and give it time. The rewards, weight loss, sharper focus, a healthier heart, are worth it. Which IF method intrigues you? Comment below.